Hey everyone, and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can create a free landing page for Facebook ads step by step. I'll be covering why dedicated landing pages are key, how it can help you capture hyper-targeted visitors, and the actual process of getting started with an amazing free tool in order to create a high-converting landing page. So without much further ado, let's get right into the video. First, let's talk about why landing pages are so crucial for turning visitors from ads into customers, leads, and subscribers. You see, most ad platforms only give you a single destination link option when setting up campaigns or posts. So what do most people default to? Sending visitors directly to their main website homepage. And while that does work, it's far from optimal if your goal is to get visitors to convert. Homepages are generic pages meant to welcome all types of visitors. They have menus, sidebars, banners, and promotions for every service that you offer. And this overwhelms visitors by arriving from a very targeted ad angle with laser focus on one offer, usually resulting in low conversions as people get distracted and leave. Dedicated landing pages solve this by capturing hyper-targeted traffic from each ad campaign and guiding them into an ultra-focused user experience aligned to the specific offer being promoted in that campaign. Visitors arrive in a distraction-free environment carefully tailored just for them. You guide their attention to the one next step that you want them to take. Whether it's reading a specific article, signing up for your mailing list, purchasing a product, etc. The layout, copywriting, graphics, and calls to actions are all laser targeted, increasing relevance and therefore conversions dramatically. Traffic gets captured instead of spilled. But here's the problem that most people would run into. Landing page and sales funnel builders can get extremely expensive, and it can add up incredibly fast, running into the thousands for just a 1 to 2 page funnel. And that's not even factoring in the sales funnel software licensing fees, which can cost up to hundreds of dollars per month. Thankfully, there is an amazing all-in-one platform that lets you create beautiful high-converting landing pages and full sales funnels without paying a cent. And with that, we introduce System.io. So head over to System.io and sign up for a 100% free account, and let's jump in. Once you're logged into your dashboard, hover your funnels in the top menu bar and click on it. And this is where you will create everything related to capturing and selling to visitors. Hit the blue plus create button to open up the funnel or landing page builder. And from here, we have to select what kind of funnel template that you want from predefined options based on end goals. So if you want to collect emails, you can build an email list. Or if you want to sell product and service, so direct sales pages. Checkout page to single product promos and webinar for automated webinars. For this demo, I'm going to select collect emails to create a lead generation funnel and then hit next. After that, we want to give our funnel a descriptive name so it's easy to identify later on. For example, affiliate marketing lead funnel. Hit create funnel and we're in the page builder. On the left side, you will see your funnel steps. System.io creates a squeeze page and a thank you page by default to capture the emails. Click on squeeze page and then hit edit page to open the page editor that we'll customize. The template library shows a variety of professionally designed done-for-you layouts. Browse through and select the ones that you like. I'm going to select a random template for now that has a nice lead capture focus, and then click select. Templates make design very easy, but custom copywriting tailored to your offer is key for high conversions. So let's modify the content to promote a specific affiliate offer by paying people to post on social media. And for that, you might want to change the headline, bullet points, and opt-in button text. Next, grab your affiliate link that is unique to you so that you can get credit for sales, and input it into the button connector. This creates continuity from ad to landing page to offer, boosting relevance and conversions. And the next step would be boosting conversions with automations. And here is where System.io really shines. It lets you create automations on your pages that trigger tailored sequences. For example, make it so anyone who enters their email gets automatically added to your favorite email service like MailChimp. You can then send customized welcome or onboarding sequences to provide immense value immediately, skyrocketing engagement and sales. And that's just one basic example with System that you can build multi-step sales funnels, complex workflows, integrate third-party tools, and more with just a few clicks using their automation triggers. And once done customizing your page, always preview across desktop and also mobile to ensure that everything looks great. The final step is hitting publish to get a live shareable link, either as a standalone landing page or embedded into your website. Send your highest potential traffic sources directly to this hyper-targeted page and watch opt-ins and conversions soar thanks to the tailored experience. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let us know in the comment section down below if you have any other questions on the topic. And if you've enjoyed today's video, then give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on any follow-up content that we can make related to this one.